Hello, welcome to today's backtesting video. I'm gonna be backtesting only New York from now on again, since I have no reason to backtest London session. Or I have no reason to trade London session, so I'm not gonna backtest it. But I also genuinely need to get a payout because this trim is crazy now. It's actually diabolical. Anyway, looking pretty bearish overall. So ideally I would want to be taking continuation shorts here. No news. Continuation shorts from here would be nice. OT of the 30 minute delivery. 15-minute sweep, as well as a SMT up here. Inside a 2-minute. Ran through the SMT. 1-minute gap. It's 10 AM as well, so I'm gonna fade this. Just ran through that gap. Could go for like a 1-to-1 here. Probably should have taken the first invest, but let's see. Alright, well, that's a loss. We do have a re-sweep though. I'm still leaning bearish. Now I'd want to see us push lower, to be honest. In this first trade I probably should have gone break even once we swept these internal lows, but it's not that deep. Oh wait, that is a 2-minute. Invest anyway. push us down. Hit the. Why is it so choppy? Like, what is this price action, bro? It's actually crazy. Two losses in a row. And we missed the long as well. That's crazy. Alright, well, next day. Very, very bad day there. We had CPI. Got data lows, but it is a bullish CPI, so you might just continue pushing higher. Pretty obvious buy side there as well to target. Still looking for continuation longs. Maybe here. Minute opens up as we invest this. I do have conviction in the higher time frame. Well, I mean just the general trend. So I am gonna take this 15-minute delivery. Five-minute sweep. Probably just gonna go break even here. Nice. Took the low hanging fruit because I've seen many times that the external range just sends us back down to my entry point, but I could have targeted the obvious buy side, which was my main draw, which would have been a 2.8 risk to reward, which would have made back both of yesterday's losses and put me into profit. But is it that deep? Not really. There's always another day, which is exactly why yesterday I don't even know what I was thinking. Like, I was saying, should I fall for PPI or FOMC? Because as you can see, tomorrow we have PPI and FOMC on the same day, and I just got in my own head and just got pissed really, which made me just think of bad shit. I was so close to just revenge trading as well, or gambling. Like, I don't know why I'm so attached, but luckily I didn't act on it, and I'll make sure not to act on it and just hop off the charts, like every time. So ES has fully filled the new day opening gap. However, NQ has not, so my draw is still lower. Because obviously I'm trading NQ, not ES. Could be a good setup for continuation shorts here. Pretty wiki price action. Can't say for sure that we're wanting to go low as of right now. Could take that inverse. Target the 5-minute intermediate time low, or 15-minute gap. We are getting delivery of the 4-hour though. I'm gonna fade this and hopefully we get better continuation shorts. Oh, would you look at that? Did play out. Only thing is, I'm not too sure where I would have went break even, but didn't take the trade for a reason. This 1 minute looks pretty good, but I'm trading against new day opening gap. Then again, we are looking pretty bullish in terms of actual internal structure. But are we? I don't know. We got this inverse here, CISD as well. Yeah, we'll just go for a 1-to-1 here. Break even here. Break even. Fair enough. Yeah, was in line with everything. Just pretty shit price action right now. I probably shouldn't have taken it in the first place. I wanna get out of this range before I take anything in, most likely. And there's a 30-second there. Would have got stopped out though, I think. Yeah, definitely no. Seems like new day opening gap might be pulling price down. Never mind. Yeah, not the most ideal conditions really. That's alright. Next day. Well, let's play till lunch. That will get anything there. Broke out. Inside of 5 minute. 5 minute inverse. Break even hit. No idea where I would put my stop here. Would have been break even. Let's just say that. Thursday, we got previous day low. I believe we still have new day opening gap unfilled. Well, not fully filled on NQ. Yeah. Overall, still bearish, I think. Fairly bullish price action though, so might I'll take longs if there's the opportunity. Let's see what market open gives us. Nothing. inverse down. From here I would go an SMT at these highs, get in delivery from nothing, so no trade. Right, now we took the highs, we've got delivery. Wouldn't mind shorts from here, but we're just gonna pump by the looks of it. I would want all of these resting highs to get filled at this, or swept at this point, but I would rather take continuation longs for that. So I'm not gonna take shorts here. Probably was a setup. I mean, 30-second inverse here or here. Definitely would have hit a 1-to-1, but minute sweep. I got 2 minute. Oh, it's a 3 minute, but we're also inside this, so I need this 3 minute to close. Like that. Put my stop there. Well, I have to target up there. Break even at the external range. Other than that, once again, no delivery. Unless you count the 4 hours delivery. Set a low forward test. I wouldn't be surprised if it did play out. Yeah, it's break even. Boom. That's very annoying. Slightly annoying. Could have targeted the whole external range, got 1.64 risk to reward from it. Very clean after we got out of this chop. Yeah. 5 minute sweep, 3 minute inverse. We had no reason to go down really. I'm gonna replay price. No, I'm not. But now I know for the future to trust my market analysis instincts. So I have conviction in my market analysis and my knowledge of the charts. Which probably sounds cringe as shit, because I'm unprofitable. But Whatever. I'm waffling, bruv. Yapping. Not getting any continuation longs. We left that New Day opening gap, which is pretty interesting. Not, you don't see that very often. It did get tapped into, so I guess didn't fully leave it. Got SMTs. Well, bearish SMTs. Might still want to come back down. Ideally, I would just want to look for longs here though. Maybe come back down and sweep these lows. I'll tap into the 4-hour gap. Oh shit. So 1 minute. But do I enter early? That's the question. No. Fuck. Do I target the high hanging fruit? That's another question. Probably not. Let's see what we can do with it though. Break even at the external range. Do you have an SMT? Maybe equal highs, I don't know. Oh shit. Oh, would that have been hit? No. Wow, perfectly caught. 1-to-1. If you are watching this, you know who you are. This is what I was talking about with more of Patty's style of trading. How he would typically place his stop at like the body or the wick of the inverse or something like that. Target a 1-to-1. Literally just little moves like this. Very, very internal or intra price, whatever you want to call it. But anyway, might even take, well, if I hadn't have taken that, I wouldn't mind shorts from here. Let's forward test it. I did have a bullish bias originally, so I don't know how I would switch my bias here. Yeah, wow. Original draw did get hit. Not surprised. But if I had held it, I would have got stopped at break even. This way, took the low hanging fruit, made some profits. That's the end of the week as well. Pretty sure this was like a break even week because of the 2 losses I took at the beginning. Not ideal. Two losses, yeah. Technically green week, because of risk to rewards and whatever. But 2 for 2. And I did miss out on a couple of winning trades that I called, but I'm not gonna make any excuses. Definitely got work to do. But that's the end of today's backtesting session. Pretty short one. But at least it's this way of backtesting for me feels more effective. It's more of actually me practicing the strategy, because I feel like I already know all the technicals in a sense, as in I know what's going on. Like I know why and how price moves, majority of the times at least. Like I can predict it fairly well. It's just practicing knowing what trades to fade and what trades to not, pretty much. This way is more efficient and I find it more fun. Like journaling it for me personally could be effective, but it's not, it doesn't help me as much. I feel like, I don't know. Some days I'll probably journal it. If there's a specific type of trade that I'm like, that is valuable, basically, I'll journal it. If there isn't, then I don't feel the need. I've already got loads of data journaled. If I really want to, like, go back and read it. But yeah, anyway, that's the end of the yap sesh. Thank you for watching. See you tomorrow, maybe later today.